What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. Look, I want to keep it real with you in this video and let you know, I'm just like you. I've been frustrated. I've been sick and tired. I've jumped from one thing to the next simply because I just wanted to make money online. I did not have any intentions of really, helping and serving people. That was when I first got started. And maybe you're in that position right now. As a beginner, you just want to make money online. And even if you're an immediate marketer, affiliate marketer, and you're struggling right now, you maybe have made some money, but you have not made the income that you want to make simply because you're jumping from one thing to the next. You got the shiny object syndrome. You're on Facebook, and every time somebody makes a post about something, brand new, this is groundbreaking, never happened before, the first thing you do is inquire information about it, and then you join it only to find out it's really not what you expected. Everything on the surface sounds good, but when you actually get in it, it really doesn't work. And people, I'm tired of falling for that. I'm tired of falling for the, groundbreaking opportunities, all of this stuff like this. Look, I've made up my mind. I said in another video, I got to keep it real with you. Another product that came out, I was going to focus on it. And, something has happened with that, and I'm not going to even name it, but I'm going to keep it pushing in this video. But every time that I go to something, different, something happens, and I keep coming back to the Home Business Academy and the Let's Go app. I have found that these guys, Paul and Mike, are the real deal. They created this simply because they really want to help people be successful online. But the problem is the people, that we're introducing this to, they think they want to be successful. At the end of the day, all they want to do is make money. And if you just want to make money, not saying you can't make some, you're not going to make what you want to make until you finally make a decision that this is what you're going to stick with. And that's the decision that I have made, here lately, that I'm going to stick with the Home Business Academy. I'm tired. I'm frustrated. If you look at my YouTube videos, you'll see several different products, programs that I have joined, but each one of those does not compare to the Home Business Academy. And what Paul and Mike has created now is just beyond my wildest imagination, because I never thought that the Home Business Academy would do this. I never thought that Paul and Mike would do this. But because they want people like me and you to succeed, they have gone out of their way, spent 7 months developing this system on their own with no help, eliminating third-party, affiliate marketing, hosting companies and things like that. Everything is done in-house now. And if you're really looking to be successful, you're really looking to succeed, you're really looking for something that you can be proud of and share with people, I want to ask you to really continue to watch this video, because what I'm going to do is I have created some bonuses that I'm going to give you that I think can help you catapult or move in this business right here. Now, if you joined me in HBA before, I recommend that you come back again. If you're watching this video, just go ahead on and rejoin, because I honestly think that what the Home Business Academy is doing right now is really going to, surprise you and make you wonder, is there anything else out there like this? There's no other company, where you can come in with a low entry point of $10, earn an 80% commission on that $10, 80% commission on the next level, $20, $100, 80% commission, and then 80% commission on $400 or $800, 80% commission throughout this whole funnel one time for the 400 and 800, but 3 residual income streams that pays you $128 per month per person. Show me one. and I'll take a look at it, but I'm not guaranteeing I'm going to join it, but I just wanted you to know. But here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you inside of the back office. I'm going to show you proof that this is working for me, and I wish I had just totally focus on this because I could be further along, but I'm going to show you proof that this works. I'm going to show you the bonuses that I'm going to give you. This is a training series is what this is going to be. So this is the first video of the training series. So stick with me. Let's go with it. And so let me drop down here in the corner. Here I am right now. You can see I've actually earned $61,665.96 in the Home Business Academy, $165 in commissions. Okay. 3,083 meals provided. We do provide meals for starving children. So that's one of the things that we do inside of the Home Business Academy as well. Now, as you see right here, that FTC disclaimer, okay? Affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. For full earning disclosure, you can visit this right here. And to earn much higher amounts, work, skills, and commitment is required. This business has paid over $1 million in affiliate commission during 2024. It's actually on the verge of reaching, if it has not gone that goal yet, of $7 million in affiliate commission. And I'm glad to say that I have been, one of the people who have actually contributed to feeding starving children, but also was a receiver of some of this income. So you see the commission there, and I can refresh this page. So just so you know it's true, there it is. Boom. So what you're going to get is you're going to start off with the Let's Goal app. Okay. And what this Let's Goal app does, it helps you with your affirmations, meditation and prayer, visualization, journalism, your goals, all of that stuff right there. I'm not going to get too deep into what it does. You can watch some other videos on the channel that'll show you that. It may be one up here above, the little slide that come out. But this is what this app does. You can take notes. You can do journals. You can do quotes. You can add your own quotes in here. Gratitude, what are you grateful for? All of that. You can do that on a daily basis. And then you have your own profile, and then you have settings. Inside of the settings, this is where you can actually get push notification. They have an app that you can actually download onto your phone. So you're going to have that as well. So if I come over here, if I get my phone, if I click on that app right there, let me see if I can get it right quick. Then you can see the actual app. Okay, let me see if I can log into this thing. All right, here we go. So you can see the actual app that's on the phone here as well. So this is the app. I don't know if it'll show up clearly for you, but this is an app that you can actually put on your phone. You can come over here and you can do see live events. You can see recognitions and all of that stuff right there. So you have an app that gives you push notifications on your phone as well. Okay, so you have that. You have your landing page preference, your morning routine. You can drag and drop these wherever you want to. If you don't want journalism on there, uncheck it. It won't show. You don't want reading, uncheck it. It don't show. Okay. You can add up to 7 family members. You can add up your wife, your spouse. If you check this, then your spouse is able to get access to everything in the back office that you have access to. Now, these are immediate family members, not just any and everybody. Multiple streams of income. You have all of these multiple streams of income that you can tap into as well as inside of the system. You have prompt writing settings and sponsor message. You can set up a sponsor message, okay, that when people join you, they actually come in here, each product or page that they click on, they're going to see a preview just like this, a video of you welcoming your people, where you can offer your bonuses inside of here and some other affiliate products that you are a part of as well. So keep that in mind with this system. So that's what you're going to get. So I'm not going to stay very long in here. You have your affiliate links. This is where you're going to be able to see your affiliate links, all of that. You can add you know, your affiliate link would have an ID of 123, whatever that ID number is, but you can put your name here, just as I have done here, okay, at the end of your affiliate links to make it look a little bit better. So all of your affiliate links are here as well. You have a link builder, okay, that's used for a specific website, other affiliate programs that you may be doing, all of that in here as well. So what I'm going to do, you know, along with the Let's Go app, and if you want, you get access to the funnel builder, which I highly recommend that you do, because I actually have a funnel that I'm going to give you when I actually start this live training. This is the actual first video of it, but I'm going to start this live training, okay, walking you step by step, giving you some things, tools and trainings that's going to help you to get started and going in the right direction. Even with the Let's Go app, you already have access to the affiliate section over here, so you can get started, new members orientation, affiliate training, and things like that. So you have all of that over here. But when you join me, I'm going to give you emails that sales, okay? These emails are particularly for the Let's Go app, the $10 miracle app, or I like to call it the simple $10 business. That's what I have labeled it. So you're going to get all of these emails. These emails are particularly for the Let's Go app. These emails converted over 500 customers in 2 weeks, given to me by my mentor and sponsor, Paul. So I am able to give these to you as well, and you are able to give them to your people. So you have a bonus, this bonus that you can give to them, along with another bonus that I have created called the $10 Profit Blueprint. And what this does is, this is going, if you answer these 8 questions, who's your target avatar, 3 objections, answer these questions, then you're going to be able to copy the master prompt in ChatGPT, Google, Gemini, or what's that other one? It's another one. Any AI tool that you use, okay? I'm using ChatGPT. You can use Claude, okay? You're going to copy this master prompt right here all the way down through here, okay? And then you're going to paste it into your favorite AI tool. And then you're going to paste the answer to your question that you answered up here below that. And what this does, it actually creates for you an opt-in page, headline, sub-headline, focus on simplicity, curiosity, bridge page, using Russell Brunson, who, what, why, scripture, who am I, blah, blah, blah. 7-day email follow-up series, social posts, video scripts for YouTube, 60-second video strips, DM message, all of this, and your personal $10 profit story, all of this right here. And you can give these bonuses away to your people who actually join you inside of the Home Business Academy as well. So I'm just going briefly through this. Also, another thing, I'm giving you this exact funnel right here. I've created this funnel called the Simple $10 Business. You can get this funnel right here, this opt-in page. You're also going to get this bridge page. On this bridge page, I do the entire presentation for you, a short 3-minute, 49-second video where I'm telling them to actually not get back with you, but letting them know that they're going to be joining you in this particular Home Business Academy Let's Go app, $10 simple business. Okay, so when someone clicks this button down here, okay, what's going to happen is this button is going to take them to this page right here. This is the page that's inside of your back office already under your affiliate link. So you will just come down here and grab your affiliate link. Let me see if I can find it. I may have right here. You grabbed your affiliate link. So this page is coded to you. So your ID would be up here as well. Now, when I say your ID, if you do not up here, if you do not put in your name or something other, you know, your ID for your ID, then your ID is going to be whatever numbers that are given to you when you join. So keep that in mind. Okay. So you're going to have this opt-in page. You're going to have this page right here. and then it's going to lead to this page right here, which is going to have your affiliate information. But I have taken it a step further because I have duplicated this page right here. I've duplicated this page with the same video that I'm going to give you, and your information is going to be here instead of mine or whoever. So when you get this page, I'm not going to give you this page per se just like that. What's going to happen is I have created a page called a simple $10 business setup page. And the only thing you have to do is put your username in this box. Your username may be the numbers unless you change the name, as I said before. So if I go over here and I know my username is Richard Hairston, I can just copy this link, copy it, come over here, put that in there, boom, and take everything from here, delete that. Only thing you want is your username, whether it's your name or the numbers. And what this is going to do is this is actually going to replicate the page for you. When you click here, boom, now this is your page. Your ID, your name should be up here in the top of this box. Now you can take this link and share it wherever you want. So I've created those 3 bonuses for you when you join me. Now, what else I'm going to do is if you get the funnel builder, you can get this page right here. But if you don't want the funnel builder, what I'm trying to do is keep you from doing funnels and things like that. So you can just get this page right here. And if you want, another page, this page to go wherever you want it to go, you can do that. But this page is particularly just for the Let's Go app. And another thing you can do is you come over to the funnel builder. And what I've done, if you get the funnel builder, you click right here on funnels, come down, add new step, click on page. I also have funnels over here that I've already done. So you can take the pages and import them into your funnel builder. Okay, so they have already set up the team page. I may have to get these new pages that I created imported in here because they may be different. And also understand that when you import your pages in here, make sure you go to the tablet view and the desk and the phone view and make sure everything is correct on your buttons and all of that before you start marketing. So I'm going to give you all of this, when you get started with me. The only thing you have to do is click the link that's in the description below. Reach out to me. My phone number will be on this video somewhere. I'm going to be starting a training series, and I'm going to be showing you how to do YouTube videos, YouTube shorts, Facebook posting on your profile, not pages, on your profile, and stories. And if you want to do reels, then you can take the same reels of YouTube shorts and post them for reels on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok and things like that. So I'm going to be walking through that process. So when you're ready to get started, I'm hoping you join me right now in the Home Business Academy. Click the link that's in the description. Let's do this together. I know this video was long, but I really want to help you get started. So go ahead, click that link in the description. Have any questions, reach out to me. This is what I'm giving you. The next video, we'll be going through setting things up. I just wanted to give you an overview of what you're going to get right now. So we'll be setting things up. So with that being said, I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Click that link in the description. God bless.